What's up, y'all? It's your favorite nail tech cousin, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, I'm Breezy. I create content to help beginners, DIYers, or experienced nail techs level up their nail game with real tips, techniques, and real results. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm sharing my top French tip tips and tricks that not only help me get cleaner lines and faster application, they've made French tips so much easier for me. With that being said, let's lock in. Just like any other nail art, French tips are no different when it comes to prep. Having a smooth base plays a major role in drawing the Frenchies. For starters, your foundation. The actual structure of the nail needs to be smooth. I also like to go in with an even thin layer of base coat and wipe the sides and free edge to maintain the shape. Depending on the design, I will cover the full nail, but for this instance, the only area that will be covered is where the French tip will be. I'm using IGL Beauty. You can use any base coat that you would like. This specific bottle is from my local nail supply. I have purchased two from Amazon previously and they've worked just the same. If you like this exact same base coat, run to the description, cousin. From there, you'll find my LINKTREE that houses all of my links. Click on that, click my Amazon storefront, and you'll see it under top, matte, and base coat. Again, if you need that, go ahead and run to the description and it'll be right there waiting for you, cousin. I'm seeing and getting a lot of questions about having to cure base coat before designs, and let me tell you, the answer is yes. Any and every gel product needs to be fully cured for at least 60 seconds. You could take it a step further and cure for 120, but the least needs to be 60. Moving on to drawing the French, I'm using this dark purple from Roseland. I'll leave the number on the screen for y'all just in case it was missed. It comes in a box with many colors. It is a decent starter bundle for polishes, if I do say so myself. Some polishes may need a second coat. I personally will manipulate the gel as much as possible before I do a second coat, but hey, that's just me. Do what you will with the information. This polish along with the bundle from Roseland are linked to my storefront as well, so if you need that, go ahead and run into the description. It'll be right there for you. I will not sit here and say that French tips are the easiest thing in the world just because they are easy to me now. I remember those days when they were not. There is no right or wrong way to do them. There are so many methods. You just have to find one that works best for you. The best way to describe how to do them is by dragging two lines at an angle on both sides. You are essentially drawing an X. Once you get those two lines to cross, you can either start working on the smile line right away or do my personal fave, which is kind of filling in the sides. Now off the bat, you can fill in the sides right away, all the way, 100%. I do that sometimes as well, but for this specific time, I only filled it in halfway. After lightly filling in those sides, it is time to work on that smile line. This is the part where most people find it tricky. I call these swoop-de-doops, right? The motion of getting both sides to curve and actually create the smile line. Do not stress when it comes to this part. All skills are mastered with practice. Do your swoop-de-doops. Remember, you can touch it up as you go. Let me just say that one more time. Yes, you right there holding your liner brush. Stop stressing about the smile line. You see how many times I'm going over it to get it how I like it? I left all of this in here on purpose to let it be known that nothing is perfect. You just have to keep going and you'll get to where you want to be. Now that we have the gist of drawing Frenchies, I wanted to touch on some other things that could be making this harder than what it seems like. One thing that I feel is misinformation is the liner brush has to be expensive. It 100% does not. I've used liner brushes from my local nail supply, ones from Amazon, ones from Temu. None of them were price crazy. It is all about your technique. Find one method that you want to do. Say you saw a video on TikTok, Instagram, whatever. Try it out a few times. Keep trying it. Try it 1, 2, 3 times. If that doesn't work out, try another one. Another thing that can make it harder is your mindset. You cannot compare someone's millionth time to your first or your 10th. I say this all the time and I'm going to say it again. Practice makes perfect as well. Do not give up. We're all in this together, learning and growing day by day. I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video right here. I really hope this video helped you with understanding how to do a French tip. If it did, please like this video and subscribe for more content just like this. As always, if you're looking for any products/tools that I use in this video, run to the description and click on my LINKTREE link. From there, you can access my Amazon storefront and shop your heart away. If you have any more questions about French tips, leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't already, hit that bell and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video.